Help support the companies that support our community. We were up at the Pratt Fine Arts Center about a month ago, and I got to work on a collab piece with Scott Darlington. It was really neat to see the whole school and to watch Scott bring this piece to life. For my side of the project, I grabbed this beautiful piece of maple burl I got from Mike McCowan from Canada. I've had this idea in my head for quite a while, so I was so excited to work with Scott on it. After about a half an hour at Home Depot, I found a rubber gasket for a shower that worked perfect. So I just put the glass piece in, slid that washer in there, and then pressed it down in up on the top of the glass piece. It's really pretty tight, so when the glass drops down, it seats on that rubber washer on the inside, and it worked out perfect. I made the hole for the bottom piece a little bit big to compensate for wood movement. I'm not really worried about the wood breaking the glass, it's pretty thick, but I think if it got too tight, it would split the wood. For the dowels, I picked those up at Woodcraft, and I cut them about 9 inches long, and I boiled them for about 10 or 15 minutes and then put them in a little jig just to give it a little bit of shape. After the dowels cooled, I did a final sanding on them with the Howard's wax and then assembled the whole piece. Here it is. It's about 16 inches tall. The maple burl piece is about 7.5. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not a big fan of the stand. When I was putting it all together, it just, I don't know. It's stable and everything. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere, but I don't know. I was just hoping there would be a little more organic feel to the stand, and because this isn't that big, I couldn't really bow them out quite a bit. So I actually drew up some more plans for another stand. So I was kind of thinking of maybe like, well, it kind of looks like a pitchfork or flames or something, but coming in and utilizing those holes where the dowels are on the top and holding onto it, kind of like a stand like I did for the urn a while back, and then come down for a base on it. I don't know, I'm gonna play around with it a little bit. Robin had an idea too about turning some pieces that look similar to this out of, say, walnut, and then using those and having them go up into those holes too, and that might look good too. So I'll play around with it, maybe see what I can do. The little recess here on the top, what I did is I made that a little bit big to compensate for the wood movement, and then I used that rubber washer in there. I'm really happy that it finally came to life. I've been wanting to do a piece similar to this. I've just had a bunch of ideas where having the glass and the wood together, I like that look. Again, thank you so much, Mike. That's just a beautiful piece of wood. And Scott, it was a pleasure coming up and to hang out there at Pratt for the day and just see this whole thing being formed and everything. Scott made 3 of these, and I made another one and used this as a finial on a lidded pot that they're going to have at their auction later this year. I had a lot of fun with it. Just a beautiful piece of wood. I just think, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Do you like this stand, or do you think maybe there's something else? I'm not sure if you can. Maybe I'll pop a picture up on here of this. So this part right here would actually go right inside of there and hold on to it, kind of like a fork, and then I would have it come around and then have a base down here, but it wouldn't be round, the base on the bottom. It would just have the piece come down and then come flat. But I don't know, I think I like that look more. But all right, if this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified every time we have a new video. All right, we won't have a video next week. We're going to be in Atlanta at the IWF show. If you are in the area, please stop by and say hi. We're going to be at the Easy Wood Tools booth. We'll be there all week from the 22nd to the 25th. So please stop by and say hi. All right, till next time, take care.